Do you ever open your fridge at 5 in the evening, look around, and decide to just have a bowl of cereal because cooking a real meal feels like too much work? If you do, you are not alone. As we get older, our bodies actually need more protein to keep our muscles strong and more fiber to keep our digestion moving. But at the same time, our energy for standing at a hot stove often goes down. Today, I am sharing 15 incredibly simple meals designed exactly for this stage of life. There is no heavy chopping, no long hours in the kitchen, and no complicated steps. Just soft, comforting food that gives your body exactly what it needs. Let us get right into it. Our first meal is a deconstructed chicken pot pie spoon bowl. Think about the comfort of a warm chicken pot pie on a cold evening. It is deeply familiar and soothing, but making a pie crust from scratch or waiting an hour for it to bake is exhausting. This bowl gives you that exact same feeling in about 5 minutes. Start with 3 ounces of cooked chicken. You can use meat from a rotisserie chicken or even canned chicken breast that you have drained well. Shred it up into very small pieces so it is incredibly soft and easy to chew. That small amount of chicken quietly gives your body roughly 20 grams of protein. Now, add 1/2 cup of frozen peas and carrots. You do not need to chop anything. Pour 1/2 cup of warm, low-sodium chicken broth over the chicken and vegetables in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it until it is steaming. To get that pie crust feeling without the work, tear up 1 slice of soft whole wheat bread and drop the pieces right into the warm broth. The bread soaks up the savory flavor and becomes incredibly soft. This meal gives you hydration from the broth, fiber from the vegetables and bread, and high-quality protein from the chicken. It tastes like Sunday dinner, but it asks almost nothing of you. Moving on to another classic, we have the lazy shepherd's pie skillet. Traditional shepherd's pie is wonderful, but peeling and boiling potatoes is heavy work. For this version, you will start with 3 or 4 ounces of cooked ground beef or ground turkey. If you have leftovers from earlier in the week, this is the perfect place to use them. Now, we are going to stretch that meat and add a massive amount of nutrition by stirring in 1/2 cup of canned lentils. Make sure you rinse the lentils under cool water first. Lentils are a secret weapon for seniors because they are packed with plant fiber and protein, and they are so soft they require almost no chewing. Warm the meat and lentils together in a pan or the microwave. Then, spoon 1/2 cup of warm instant mashed potatoes right over the top. Instant potatoes are a wonderful convenience food that fortifies the meal with easy carbohydrates for steady energy. You get the rich, savory flavor of meat, the digestive support of lentils, and the ultimate comfort of mashed potatoes in a single bowl. Next is a meal that works beautifully when you are cooking for the tuna noodle casserole mug. Making a giant casserole for one person means eating the same leftovers for 5 days, which ruins the joy of food. Instead, make a single serving that hits the spot perfectly. Take 1 5-ounce can of tuna, packed in water, drain it and flake it into a bowl. Tuna is a brilliant food for older adults because it provides high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which are wonderful for brain and heart health. Add 1/2 cup of cooked soft egg noodles and a handful of frozen peas. Instead of using heavy canned soups filled with sodium to make it creamy, stir in 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt and a tiny splash of milk. Add a pinch of black pepper and warm it gently. The yogurt becomes a rich, creamy sauce that gives you even more protein. This feels nostalgic, it goes down easily, and it leaves you with only 1 bowl to wash. If you love stuffed peppers but hate the chopping and the long baking time, this next meal is for you. We call it the stuffed pepper skillet bowl. Start with 3 ounces of cooked ground turkey. Add 1/2 cup of instant brown rice. Brown rice gives you more fiber than white rice, which helps keep your blood sugar steady so you do not get that weak, shaky feeling an hour after eating. Now, here is the secret to avoiding knife work. Pour in 1/2 cup of canned diced tomatoes that have soft green chilies or peppers already mixed in. Warm it all together. You get the exact flavor profile of a baked stuffed pepper, but it is ready to eat in minutes. The tomatoes bring vitamin C and moisture, making the meat and rice much easier to swallow. If your appetite is low, this meal packs a lot of volume and nutrition into a very small bowl. Now, let us talk about breakfast, or even a soft supper, with a cottage cheese and scrambled eggs soft bowl. Sometimes regular scrambled eggs can feel a little dry. To fix this and boost the nutrition, Crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk in 2 tablespoons of cottage cheese before you cook them. When you scramble this mixture in a pan over medium heat, the cottage cheese melts into the eggs, making them incredibly fluffy, creamy, and soft. This combination gives you nearly 20 grams of complete protein. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein, so getting a strong amount in one sitting helps maintain your muscle mass and your balance. Serve these soft eggs over a handful of fresh spinach. The heat from the eggs will wilt the spinach slightly, making it tender and easy to eat, giving you a quiet boost of iron and fiber. For another savory option, try savory sausage and cheddar oats. We usually think of oats with sugar and fruit, but they are just a grain and they work beautifully with savory flavors. Cook 1/2 cup of rolled oats, but instead of using water or milk, cook them in warm, low-sodium chicken broth. The oats absorb that rich flavor. Once they are soft, stir in 1 chopped, pre-cooked turkey sausage link and a small sprinkle of shredded cheddar cheese. Oats are famous for their heart-healthy soluble fiber, which lowers cholesterol and supports healthy digestion. The sausage brings the protein. This meal is incredibly filling, very warming, and feels like a hearty country breakfast without the grease or the heavy cleanup. When you want something light but sustaining, the mashed white bean and tomato soft toast is a perfect choice. This requires 0 cooking and is heavily inspired by the Mediterranean diet, which is widely considered one of the best ways of eating for healthy aging. Take 1/2 cup of canned cannellini beans, rinse them and mash them roughly with a fork. Mix in a little olive oil and a pinch of black pepper. Olive oil provides healthy fats that are excellent for your heart and your joints. Spoon this thick bean mash over a piece of soft, whole-grain toast. Top it with a few spoonfuls of canned, diced tomatoes. The beans give you plant protein and a tremendous amount of fiber, making this toast far more satisfying than toast with butter. It is fresh, it is soft, and it takes 2 minutes to assemble. On days when your appetite is completely gone, or chewing just feels like too much of a chore, the blender tomato and white bean soup is a lifesaver. Traditional tomato soup is comforting, but it is mostly water and sugar, leaving you hungry very quickly. To turn it into a real meal, take 1 cup of canned crushed tomatoes and 1/2 cup of rinsed canned white beans. Blend them together until completely smooth, then warm the mixture on the stove or in the microwave. You will not even taste the beans, but they transform a thin soup into a rich, creamy, hearty meal. They add invisible protein and fiber. This soup provides excellent hydration, which is vital because many seniors simply do not drink enough water throughout the day. It slips down easily and nourishes you even when you do not feel like eating. Another wonderful option for low-energy days is a 10-minute egg drop in spinach broth. This is for those days when you might be fighting a cold or just feeling physically exhausted. Bring 1.5 cups of low-sodium chicken broth to a gentle simmer. Drop in a handful of frozen spinach. In a small cup, whisk 2 eggs into the simmering broth while stirring gently. The eggs will cook instantly into soft, delicate ribbons. This broth is deeply hydrating and incredibly gentle on the stomach. The eggs provide complete protein while the spinach brings essential vitamins. It is exactly what your body needs when it is asking for rest and recovery, and it requires no chewing at all. When you want something that feels a bit more robust, the salmon and potato chowder bowl is a beautiful choice. Take a 5-ounce can of pink salmon, drain it, and flake it. Do not worry about the soft bones inside. They are completely safe to eat and actually provide an excellent source of calcium for your own bones. Combine the salmon with 1/2 cup of canned diced potatoes. Canned potatoes are wonderful because they are already peeled, cooked, and incredibly soft. Add a handful of frozen corn and a splash of milk or cream. Warm it gently. This tastes like an expensive seafood chowder. The salmon provides crucial omega-3 fats that help reduce inflammation and aching joints, while the soft potatoes give you comforting carbohydrates. It is a warm hug in a bowl. If you are looking for a cool, refreshing meal that requires absolutely no cooking, try a smashed chickpea and avocado egg salad. Boiling and peeling eggs can be frustrating, especially if your hands are feeling stiff. For this meal, you skip the eggs entirely. Take 1/2 cup of canned chickpeas, rinse them, and mash them in a bowl with half of a ripe avocado. Add a spoonful of mayonnaise and a little mustard. The avocado provides a creamy, rich texture filled with potassium and heart-healthy fats. The chickpeas bring a massive amount of dietary fiber and plant protein. It tastes remarkably similar to traditional egg salad, but it is entirely plant-based and requires no stove time. You can eat it right off the spoon or serve it with soft crackers. Sometimes you crave something sweet, and the canned peach, cottage cheese, and pecan bowl hits that craving while delivering solid nutrition. Pour 1 cup of cottage cheese into a bowl. As we mentioned earlier, cottage cheese is a powerhouse for seniors because it contains slow-digesting protein, which feeds your muscles steadily over several hours and keeps you feeling full. Top the cottage cheese with 1/2 cup of canned peaches. Make sure to buy the peaches packed in their own juice, not in heavy syrup. The soft peaches are incredibly easy to eat and provide gentle hydration and sweetness. Sprinkle a small handful of crushed pecans or walnuts over the top for a satisfying crunch and a boost of healthy fats. It feels like dessert, but it works like a balanced meal. For days when even opening a can feels like a chore, keep the ingredients for a hummus, soft pita, and roasted red pepper mash on hand. Store-bought hummus is made from chickpeas and tahini, making it a fantastic source of protein and fiber. Spread a thick layer of hummus onto a soft pita bread. To add vegetables without any chopping, buy a jar of roasted red peppers. These peppers are incredibly soft, sweet, and packed with vitamin C. Just lay a few pieces of the soft pepper over the hummus. This meal requires zero effort, uses only pantry and fridge staples, and is very gentle on the stomach. It is a perfect light lunch that you can assemble in 60 seconds. When you want Italian comfort food without standing over a boiling pot of pasta, make a meatball and lentil marinara bowl. Keep a bag of fully cooked frozen meatballs in your freezer. Take 3 or 4 meatballs, cut them in half so they are easy to eat, and place them in a bowl. Add 1/2 cup of canned lentils. The lentils mimic the texture of ground meat, making the meal much larger and more filling without adding expensive meat. Pour 1/2 cup of jarred marinara sauce over the top and heat until steaming. This is a massive bowl of protein and fiber. The sauce provides moisture, the meatballs give you strength, and the lentils keep your digestion working perfectly. It tastes like a slow-cooked Sunday sauce. Our final meal is a sweet potato, black bean, and chicken sausage hash. Take a small sweet potato, poke a few holes in it, and microwave it until it is completely soft. Slice it open and mash the soft orange flesh right inside the bowl. Sweet potatoes are brilliant for older adults because they are loaded with vitamins and their fiber is very gentle. Top the mashed sweet potato with 1/2 cup of rinsed canned black beans and 1 sliced pre-cooked chicken apple sausage. Warm it all together. The savory sausage mixes with the sweet potato and the hearty black beans to create a meal that is deeply satisfying. It provides long-lasting energy and keeps you full for hours. Eating well after 60 does not have to be a struggle. You do not need to follow strict rules, and you certainly do not need to spend hours standing in the kitchen. Your body just needs softness, protein for your muscles, and fiber for your digestion. Try picking just one of these 15 simple meals to make this week. Let me know in the comments below which one sounds the best to you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.